Object and class in PHP. The basic part of an object-oriented program is the objects. We can easily understand this object. For example, a car is an object. A car has properties or parts inside, such as colors, engines, wheels, doors, and so on. A car can also do something. There is something that can be done with a car, such as filling up gasoline, turning on the engine, walking, braking, and so on. Usually the object is a noun. People are objects. Likewise, cars, trees, flowers, computers, TV, books, and so on. However, objects are not always a physical object. It could be an abstract object, such as a bank account, a file on a computer, a database, an email message, a TV show, and so on. Class is an explanation or description of the object. Inside the class, there is an explanation of an object including its properties and behavior or methods that can be done by the object. For example, the person class. Class people certainly have at least some parts such as hands, feet, eyes, ears, and so on. Class people also must at least be able to walk, can jump, can run, can see, can talk, and so forth. One of the advantages of the program is defined by the concept of object-oriented programming, is the encapsulation of the program in the class and object, where the programmer who uses the class does not need to know the contents and the way the class in detail, just need to know how to use it. Same with a car, for example. A car owner certainly does not need to know the car parts thoroughly. He does not need to know how a car engine burns and how a car's engine can move a wheel, and so on. He just needs to know how to run the car, how to stop the car, and other car functions. The general form defines a class as follows. Class name. Opening curly bracket. Declare and define properties here. Define all methods here. Closing curly bracket. Forming class objects. To use an object must be formed of its class. From a class can be formed several objects at once. The general form of object formation is as follows. $object name equals new class name. As for calling members of the class can with the format as follows. $object name to variable. $object name to num method. That's my article about object and class in PHP. Hopefully the artist can provide benefits and increase your knowledge about the PHP programming language.